Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down and click on passwords and biometrics. Then click on set privacy password and tap on use a different password type. Then select one of those login methods for your apps by tapping on the best one for you. Following that, you need to enter it. So sorry. And then repeat it. Sorry again. I need to hold it over here. And now repeat it. And then answer this security question. But you can also just click on it, pick one of those, or create your own by choosing custom question and typing it over here. Then save it by clicking on the check mark at the top right corner. And remember to answer it correctly below. Now you can also set your recovery email over here and save it the same way. When you're ready, click on the check mark at the top right corner and tap on App Lock. Finally, you can select apps that you wish to lock by tapping on the switcher over here and clicking on the switchers next to one of your apps, like Calendar and Chrome. Then when I click Home button and try to access one of them, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!